This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set the self-destruction timer for messages on the Telegram app. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Telegram here. I have the Telegram app opened up now. To set the self-destruct timer on Telegram, you want to open up Settings first. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to the 3-bar menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the Settings pane here, you want to go down to where it says Privacy and Security and click on Privacy and Security. And then the second thing down here, Auto Delete Messages. Click on Auto Delete Messages. It says Self-Destruction Timer. It gives you about 5 different choices here. As you can see, mine is currently off. I have off toggled on. You could set it to after 1 day, after 1 week, after 1 month, or you could set a custom time. Down below that, it says if enabled, all new messages in chats will be automatically deleted for everyone at some point after they are sent. You can also apply this setting for your existing chats. If you click on that, apply this setting to your existing chats, it opens up a little dialog box which shows you your existing chats. You can select any one of them, and you would go down to the bottom and click on Apply. I'm going to click on Cancel though. But that is how to set the self-destruction timer in Telegram. Thanks for watching.